Cultivation theory. Firstly, history and origin. George Gerbner first introduced the concepts related to the cultivation theory in 1967, explain how television affects viewers' perception. Secondly, during the 1980s, cultivation theory gradually gets academic acceptance and popularity. In the 1990s and 2000s, researchers began to apply cultivation theory to new media industries such as the Internet to study the cognitive impact of media content on viewers. Thirdly, the results of the study surface there is a difference in the perception of related between long-term TV watchers and short-term TV watchers, which proving the theory. Fourthly, extending the theory stage. Theories are extended to a variety of media at the same time. Scholars have begun to study the impact of the diversity of media content on the cultures of different communities. Digital media stage. From the 2000s to the present, the development of digital media has become more and more rapid, and the Internet and the social media have become new challenge for cultivation theory.
Important notions. Let's take a look at the fifth point. 1. Impact of media content on viewers. Cultivation theory suggests that the media will repeatedly disseminate a dominant value or cultural idea, and that this content will always be on the entertainment, narrative, and storytelling side. Viewers who are exposed to this content for a long period of time will subconsciously interpret it as true. 2. Difference between hell and light values. Cultivation theory distinguishes between hell and light viewers. They are always more deeply influenced by the content of television, and the psychology of hell watchers will be distorted to reality. They always think that the real society is more violent and dangerous. 3. Cultivation effect. Cultivation effect refers to the fact that after long-term exposure to TV content, TV viewers gradually accept and agree with the values and worldviews therein, which learned to secular distortion and a false perception of reality. This effect includes not only violent crimes and also behaviors but also perceptions, also society class, career and race.
So the next is about criticism. We are using cultivation theory to elaborate on the impact of media on the attitudes of societies. that received lots of criticism over the years. However, one of the main criticisms arising from this theory is that it frequently leads to mere correlation rather than showing causality. Critics asserted that even though cultivation theory shows a link between media use and the wealth of reality, it cannot prove that the use of media led to the development of these perceptions. Other factors could therefore have more influence over an individual's orientation with reference to an issue. Features like pre-existing inclination, socioeconomic status, and information selectivity. Despite criticisms of cultivation theory, it continues to be of great value in analyzing the impact of media on well-being, and has provided an important foundation for later research in communication and sociology. Final part is about the future development. Due to digital media, algorithmic approaches and social platforms have allowed for a more personalized audience exposure to information, which has diversified the impact of cultivation theory. Cross-cultural communication and global content exchange also have an impact on cultivation theory. In such an environment, cultivation theory has the potential to evolve by integrating disciplines such as psychology and cognitive science to more fully explain the impact of media content on human beings. So that's all for our topic. Thank you for listening.